Hi friends. I just wanted to create this video to kind of just bring you updated on where we're at this point. We're all coming off spring break. There is a lot of not knowing what is about to happen, and so I guess the first thing that I would ask of you as a student is just to be patient with us. So I am not an online instructor for a reason. And that is because I want you face to face. And so this is going to be very difficult for me as a teacher, let alone some of your other professors. So I just wanted to kind of give you a general update of what the next 2 weeks will look like. Know that there is the potential that this could go till the end of the semester. If that happens, more things will have to change. But at this point, we're just going for the next 2 weeks. So I'm just going to try to accommodate and adapt our schedule and the things that we're doing to do that. So one of the things I just wanted to start out with right at the beginning is I know you did not sign up for an online class, but this is where we're at, and we will make the best of it, and we will be successful. So know that. Number two, you have got to communicate with me. If you have questions, if you have concerns, if you don't understand something, if you need additional help, additional resources, you're going to have to reach out to me. So that means that you're going to have to email me, call me, send me pictures of what you're struggling with, and I will help you as best I can. So number one, I guess I don't know what number one anymore, but make sure that you are checking your Northwestern email account multiple times a day. The administration are sending out emails, and it is your responsibility as a student to take on the next 2 weeks and become online learners, at least for the next 2 weeks. We are trying to transition as teachers as best we can, but know that math is one of those subjects that's just going to be kind of difficult, and you're definitely going to have to look at the notes. So just things I wrote down to make sure of our course schedule. So the way the course schedule will work, I'm a hand talker, so here's my hand. The way the course schedule will work is if you have a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class with me, Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes, then your daily work will be posted that day at your class time. So college algebra, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 o'clock, I will post your information. You don't have to be there at 9 o'clock. Okay, you don't have to be there at your course time, but that's when I'll post your information. So geometry, you'll be posted by 11 o'clock Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Trigonometry, you'll be posted by 9:30 on Tuesday, Thursday. And then structural concepts of mathematics, you'll be posted by 11 on Tuesday, Thursday. So those are my 4 classes. Again, you do not have to be there at that time. You can access it anytime during that day, but that's when it will first become available to you, is at your class time. So that's kind of how the course schedule will work. Now, if we change to an online class for the rest of the semester, that setup will change. But at this point, I'm going to try to keep some structure for you, because I know that you need that in your life too. So life's different for everybody. So the second thing, again, make sure you email me. I will be posting information on Blackboard. So Blackboard announcements, emails, all of that information will come from there. The other thing that I'm jumping into, which you will be experiencing right now, this is Dr. Walker's mathematics YouTube channel. So like and subscribe. So I'm venturing into the world of YouTube. So all my videos are going to come from YouTube, because the majority of people are going to have access to that to be able to see those videos. So I'm venturing into that. But all the links to YouTube, to the videos, will be posted in Blackboard. So it'll be laid out date by date on Blackboard what the information is. Also, I'm going to try throughout the weeks to do what's called a Zoom meeting. And what that is basically it's a conference call. And so I will set up a time, and I will post that time that I will be available in a Zoom meeting, and I will send you out an email and a link. So all that you have to do is click on the link, and you will be attached to a conference call with me. And so during that time, I'll have all my students there. So if you have questions for a specific class, then we can answer those questions at that time. If you want to set up a specific time to have a one-on-one conference with me, know that I can do that anytime with you through Zoom. And you do not have to have that capability. I can send you an invitation from my end. So if you just need to have a face-to-face with me, or you're missing my face, or we just need to have a talk, you are more than welcome to do that. So I'll have to do it through Zoom because on my phone, I do not have FaceTime. So we'll do it through Zoom that way. Let's see. Okay, so the way that I want to first make sure that everybody has heard this information and that we're all kind of on the same page, at least for this first couple of days, is that I have set up a discussion board in Blackboard. So on the left-hand side, when you go into your Blackboard and you press on your class, there's a link called discussion board. And in that, it has a forum that I've started. So you will need to answer that forum, and so there's some questions on there. So tell me what you did on spring break. So make sure you answer all the questions. Tell me what you did on spring break. Next, tell me what technology you have access to. Do you have a computer? Are you doing everything on your phone? Do you have a printer, a scanner? Do you have internet? Do you have to go sit outside the local library to get internet? To kind of tell me what your capabilities are, and just to know that if I have to make any different arrangements for you, then I can see that there. And the next thing is I need you to somehow acknowledge that you watched the video. So either you just write on there, I watched the video, or I saw that you had stars on your wall in the back, or let's see, there's a baseball jersey in the back, if I can do that. So just somehow acknowledge that you saw the video and that you feel that you understand where we're at today. And then the last thing is, do you have any concerns? Is there any concerns you have with it? So right now, my main goal, kind of the structure of our classes is, go back, sorry. I'm struggling with this video thing. For the discussion board, it is due, I need to hear from you Monday night by midnight. Okay, Monday night, March 23rd by midnight. So if you will get on Blackboard with that discussion board and complete that to know that everybody's on the same page, that will be greatly appreciated. I need to hear from everybody. Okay, because if someone gets left behind, this is not going to be good. So this kind of ensures that I know that you know that we're on the same page. Okay, the structure for our course, basically what I will do is I will take that day's notes, the guided notes that I would have had on the smartboard, and I will fill them out with lots of information for you, things that I might have said, step-by-step instructions, and I will scan those and post those for you. So you will have the notes set for that day. And then what I will also do is I will make a short video that for each class's notes that will kind of highlight different things and maybe point out some harder spots that people might have. And so we can go through those notes just very quickly. They're not going to be long, 5-minute videos, but I again just want to make sure that you get the content. I know that we usually had quizzes at this point. I am going to try, sorry, my phone's ringing. I'm going to try to set up, if this continues to the rest of the semester, I'm going to try to get everybody logged into WebAssign, or for my structures and geometry class, it'll be another outlet, Pearson outlet, but with your textbook. But know that that will be free on our end. Those have opened up all of us for free. And so it's just a matter of learning the programs. So that's the plan. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. This is going to be a matter of communicating. I miss you guys. Know that life has been crazy. My dad is an EMS director, and so I have lived at my parents' for a week, and we have been in the middle of that. And so staying up to date with this. So again, in the words of my father, wash your hands, soap and water, sing Jesus Loves Me as you do it, and that will ensure that you get all those germs off your hands. But wash your hands. Again, communicate with me. Okay. Love you guys. Again, call me, leave me messages. I can call you back. My home phone number, you can call my home phone number. It is on the syllabus, but what's a syllabus at this point? So it is 580 327 2191. 580-327-2191. And that is my home phone. It is a landline. So leave me a message. It does not accept text messages. So, okay. Love you guys. Let me know what I can do. And the first information should be up on Monday morning for my Wednesday, Friday crew. So we'll get through this. Okay. Bye.